Ever wondered how to effortlessly top up your Moka Bank account? Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting out, understanding the simple steps to deposit funds is crucial. In this video, we'll guide you through the various methods to ensure a smooth and hassle-free process. Before we dive into the specifics, let's quickly recap why Moka Bank is gaining popularity. It's a digital banking solution designed to simplify your financial life. With Moka, you can easily manage your money, make payments, and even invest. But to fully leverage its potential, you need to fund your account. Method 1. Depositing via Moka app. Log in, open the Moka app and log into your account. Navigate to deposit. Look for the deposit option on the main screen or within the menu. Choose a deposit method. Moka often offers multiple options, including bank transfer. Select your bank and follow the instructions to initiate a transfer. Card payment. Use your debit or credit card to directly deposit funds. Mobile money. Link your mobile money account, e.g., M-Pesa, Airtel Money, to deposit funds. Method 2. Depositing at Moka agent locations. Find an agent. Use the Moka app or website to locate the nearest Moka agent. Provide necessary information. Share your Moka phone number or account details with the agent. Make a cash deposit. Hand over the cash to the agent, who will then deposit it into your Moka account. Method 3. Depositing via Moka's partner platforms. Identify partner platforms. Moka often collaborates with other platforms to offer convenient deposit options. Use partner platform. Log into the partner platform, e.g., a specific e-commerce site, and select Moka as your payment method. Complete payment. Follow the platform's instructions to complete the payment, which will then be credited to your Moka account. Additional tips. Security first. Always prioritize security when depositing funds. Ensure you're using trusted methods and avoid sharing sensitive information with unauthorized individuals. Check transaction status. Use the Moka app to track the status of your deposit and ensure it's processed successfully. Contact Moka support. If you encounter any issues or have questions, reach out to Moka's customer support team for assistance. Stay updated. Keep an eye on Moka's official channels for any updates or changes to deposit methods or procedures. By following these straightforward methods, you can effortlessly deposit funds into your Moka Bank account. Whether you prefer the convenience of digital transactions or the traditional approach of visiting an agent, Moka offers flexibility to suit your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.